Hi my loves and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this kind of red bunny Halloween makeup look. So if you want to see how to create this look for yourself for Halloween, then do keep on watching. Also ignore the really cheap ass wig. It was the only wig I had from like years ago, and yeah. And also ignore my voice because I have a little bit of a cold, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, let's get on to the video. So first I'm going to be taking the matte soft ochre paint pot, and I'm going to be using that to prime my eyes. And then I'm going to just place a little bit of sellotape on the corners of my eyes just so I don't get any fallout. Then I'm taking the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just taking the shade Tempera, and I'm just going to be using that as my base shade. Going back in with the Anastasia palette, and I'm taking the shade Real Girl. Then I'm just using it just a little bit over the top of my crease, and I'm using patting motions because I feel like this makes the eyeshadow just have a little bit more pigment, and yeah. Then taking the shade Red Ochre, and I'm basically just going to put that over top of the shade that we've just put down just to deepen it up a little bit. And of course you are going to want to blend that out. Going in with the Makeup Revolution Soph palette in Extra Spice, and I'm just going to be taking the shade 21. And again, just going to go over top of that eyeshadow just to make it a bit more red and vibrant. And then when you're done, blend it out. Taking the Collection Lasting Perfection concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm just going to use that to start to carve out my crease. Then taking the NYX white liner, and I'm just going to do a little line in between the crease and the eyeshadow. Once that is done, I'm going to go in with some eyelash glue and get ready to put on some glitter. So now I'm going to be taking this glitter. I literally got it from like eBay. However, be careful because you only want to get the face and body glitters because you don't want to have ones that are not for that and it could irritate your skin, or yeah. So then obviously I'm going to pop that onto the glue and yeah, just put it on all over my lid. Then going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. And I don't even know how to pronounce this word. I think it's like Obidan. I don't know, but that's the shade, the only black shade. And I'm just going to start to do a little bit of a wing. Obviously I don't want this to be perfect, so don't worry if it's not 100% perfect or anything like that. And yeah. Then I'm taking Benefit's Bad Girl Bang Mascara, and I'm just going to pop that onto my lashes. Also, I love the face I'm doing here. I mean, what a beaut, right? So I went ahead and did the rest of my face off camera just because I don't want this to be super long. Then I'm going to be taking the primer lashes. I'm not too sure what these ones are, but I will pop it in the description down below if you are interested. And I'm just going to start to apply those lashes. Now I'm going to wipe away all that excess product on my face that was baking. I'm so great at explaining things. Then I'm going in again with the Revolution X Soph Extra Spice palette, and again going into that 21 shade, and I'm just putting that on my lower lash line. And as well, you kind of want to make a little bit of a space in your inner corner. Going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette yet again, and taking, again, I don't know how to say that word, so basically the only black shade in the palette, and just going over top of that red shade just to deepen up a little bit. And yeah, taking the same NYX white liner, and you're just going to want to fill that little section that you left free and paint that white. Then going in with the same mascara that you used for your lashes, and going to go ahead and coat my bottom lashes. Then I'm going to be taking the Snazaroo, I don't know if I'm saying that right, face paint in white, and I'm just going to start to put that on the end of my nose. You're also going to want to put it around your lip area and also around your cheekbones, and yeah. So taking a fan brush, and I'm just going to coat that in the face paint and just use it to flick out the paint to make it look like whiskers. Then just to get a bit more full coverage on that white, I'm just using a different brush and patting it on. Then you're going to want to take a small angled brush and start to put some hair-like strokes above your brows. Then going in with the NYX white liner yet again, and I'm just going to be using that to really go in and make it look like the illusion of hairs, and just define it a little bit more. And you're going to want to do that as well around the cheek areas just to make it look more like whiskers. Then taking the Maybelline New York Colour Sensational Lip Liner in the shade Pleasure Me, you kinky things, you at Maybelline, and I'm going to be putting a little heart shape on the end of my nose. Then over top I'm going to be putting some eyelash glue, and then picking up the red glitter again, and I'm just going to pop that over top. Using the 17 liquid liner, then I'm going to pop that down the centre of my top lip. And then I'm just going to do some little dots either side as well. Then going in with that lip liner again, and I'm just going to apply that to my top lip. Taking Beauty Bakerie's red lipstick, and I believe this is an Asos exclusive, and I'm just going to pop that over top of the liner. Then pop on a cheap wig and some accessories, and you are looking like a bunny. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. By the way, if you heard like random noises when I was talking, it's because the dogs were in my room and they were being loud AF, but would not leave me alone, so I'm really sorry about that if you did hear that. But if you liked this video, then give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye guys!